Hi everybody, it's Amazon here, and I shall be unboxing some HDMI cables I got today. For some HDMI cables for my HDMI hub for my TV has 2. I got a hub for 3. Now I've got 4 ports. Here are the cables. I've got a 4K high-speed ultra-plated solid cable, 2 meter, 11 Australian dollars. Same but half, $9. These are HDMI 2.0, so they support up to 2.0. This is a meter cable, gold plated, 4K Ultra HD, as it says the little 4K thing there, you can tell. Partless brand, it's an Australian brand, which is nice. Those are the 2 HDMI cables I got, nothing much. What's it called? They both had up to 20 Australian, which is maybe 18, 17 US. I'm Sam, thank you for watching and see ya.